That's why I can't trust some more while now, youth.
So you me for cut him off. To you cut him off.
I want to ask you something. What do you want to do for it?
Start up now, start up. It's kinda slow me down.
So how much you dagger run?
100 meter man. Send to go scare some people, but them scare me.
Yeah, I'll send that thing to you. But I don't want you no more deal with that brother there. You hear that?
Yeah. Don't with them man, the brother. Them man make me have to go now left the place.
What do you mean?
Oh, so I have to go talk in grass to see if you little.
4.
I say agency people them might come after me. I don't really want to get involved.
You see why you should load that man, them youth?
The man never tell me say agency people in my deal with. So the one that can strap up and move.
John no star. So when you lift up?
I in me away point for only 100. Yeah, alright, brother.
No, I'm not alright, you know. You for be my right hand. I got link with a politician boy there. So I make the man mash up the link.
Don't stop praying that man. That's how I could for both a month. That's it. And as soon as we start on so on schools and never pay. Watch the pay.
Make sure him not know what them there. You know.
You think me I eat that? No that man. So on the back end.
Make sure I have a job and you alone want to deal with it.
Oh no. But I wish job that my dad.
Butcher, we put a shot in a boy and get to understand say boy is still alive.
Jano. You know something like that boy there from morning and afternoon, you know. You plan to deal.
I make it cool off. Where them feel like a peace and safety.
And then me forward with the destruction. Hell and powder house.
You know my style.
Yeah. I know me have to give back that agency girl there on page. Cause she shot me. I got bust her brain like acne.
Brother, the pre that man. You see me? Not wood feds. Cause them wanted down like a dog, brother.
Brother, girl like my file. She know everything about me. Your name called too.
Call my name.
They know about Quengas, brother. And they know some part of the group.
So pretty hard.
You know, that me I try to show you. The man know she my baby mother there and my daughter, my friend.
No one else has so deep.
That's why I have to give her a page. And the whole book. Cause me know which part she live.
That's here, brother. And people have 24-hour surveillance on them, brother.
But that's true still.
But we'll know that for now. When we reach a bridge, you cross it. Hear more you do for me. When I link them on them, I mean, I know so they want to pick up for me.
I have to give back them number though. Cause I change my phone. I have none of them number in this.
When I call them, brother, when I link them before I leave, I have 7 new rifles coming in. I'm can't go to Spain because I'm not Spain on board them half of me.
Say I heard man. What do you with it?
Boy, butcher, I'm like a 9 life you have. Or man, I come for next year.
Epi.
Hi, Roxy.
How are you?
I am good, and you?
I'm good.
It's been a minute.
I know, right?
So, how are you?
I'm great. It's summer. No more freezing weather.
For real. This is the beach season.
Girl, I'm gonna whip out my bathing suit and just find a beach to hang out.
You know, Roxy, I'm gonna do the same thing too.
Well, you should. You know, you deserve it.
That's a true.
So, how was the assignment?
It was unsuccessful.
It was?
Yeah, we didn't find him.
You didn't? I mean, what happened?
It looked like he expected us. So, he never raised him head none at all.
And the agents were of no help?
Them do them best. But Milton just outsmarted him.
So, didn't you say they located him?
Yeah. But it looked like him realized him did under surveillance, so him stay underground.
Oh, so where does that leave the agency now?